Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Notion document updated. Open Notion, create a new page, pick a template or blank page, and set a clear title to begin. Start with headings, toggles, and a simple table to capture notes. Add reminders, tags, and due dates for tasks. Use callouts for highlights and code blocks for snippets. Save often and test sharing settings with one collaborator. Plan your document around a clear hierarchy and purpose, then build outward. Begin with top-level headings, then add databases for tasks or resources. Use relations to connect databases and roll-ups for summaries. Keep formatting consistent and use templates for repeatable pages. Regularly prune outdated sections and merge similar content to stay efficient and focused while using Notion daily. Explore databases and linked views to transform static notes into dynamic systems. Create custom properties, filter views, and save those views for quick use. Use relations to connect notes to projects and roll-ups to show totals or status. Embed external content and use synced blocks for consistency across pages. Automate routine tasks with templates to save time and keep your workspace tidy and scalable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.